Today we're going to show you how to change the motor in our U-pen series. We will remove the screws first. Then we firmly open the casing. As you can see, the motor comes right out. Super easy to swap in a new one. After that, we reassemble it. Let's close it firmly. Then we tighten the screws and we're done. That's how we change the motor on our U-pen.